Time Bandit, one of Alaska's top crab boats. We got Captain Andy and Captain Jonathan with us, and Team Extreme here with Lucian waterfowlers.
We just wanted to,
it's got eggs on it from an egg fight.
That's okay. There we go. Team Time Bandit.
He interrupts all the time, so don't worry about it.
I got ADD.
You got ADD.
You should be smart footage.
He used to spank it out of me when I was a kid.
I think I see a king Eider right there. Shoot him!
Shoot it. Says, hey boy, if you don't listen, you get your ass beat.
Just have your head mounted right for no doubt.
I get my ass beat again.
Captain John at the lodge.
There you go. But anyway, we got our secret weapon this year. Time Bandit's keeping an eye out for all the King Eider guys. What's happening? They're
driving them in.
There's one over there! Shooting!
Full steam ahead.
Oh, God.
Shoot him! Can't shoot him, stab him!
Got one. Don't move. Stay right there. The skip's coming.
God, you shot Mike! That's not a King Eider, that's Mike Fortner.
Oh, God. Anyway, we're going to give our cheers to the boys at Time Bandit. Thank you very much for letting us aboard, Captain.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Jonathan. We've been watching this stuff. There you go. All right, buddy.
There's only 2 parties.
John, what about you? What do you got to say to your folks?
Saw a ton of kings. Had some good fun. Got a limited.
They told me you didn't shoot any ducks. Everybody else did, huh?
Charlie, thank you. It was a trip of a lifetime. I fucking had the time of my life, man. You have no idea. It went from gold to platinum.
All right.
Perfect.
You have a great trip here, Charlie. Thank you.
Okay. Rush, you're holding up the blue and gold for the day.
Blue and gold.
We just got our tour of the Time Bandit. They're loading up. We're finishing up here.